I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. Got a question for you today. What is vocal fry? Or perhaps I should say I have an answer to the question. What is vocal fry? Let me tell you, it's very, very common in our culture, and it's something I would like to see eradicated because it sounds terrible. It makes people ask you to speak up. They can't hear you, they can't understand you, and it's really hard on your throat. This is an example of what vocal fry sounds like. Hi, I'm Laura, and I'm speaking right now in vocal fry. Okay, what does vocal fry mean? Well, it means number one, your voice is pulled back here in your throat, so to speak, like you think your voice is only going from here to here. Instead of using the resonance space in the mask, in the buzzy spot, taking advantage of your sinus cavities and all the space in your head. It also means people are talking in too low of a pitch. So you need to raise your pitch, put your voice into the mask, and speak with plenty of breath with good onsets. So if you want to avoid vocal fry, which sounds a lot like this, those are some tips for you today. Take advantage and love your voice and voice your love.